How to add a video overlay or put a video over the video you're editing and have it enter within an animated format using the YouCut video editor app. It's 2025 at the time of this video. Make sure you have the latest update and let's get started. So let's just say that I'm currently editing a video, and somewhere in this video here, I would like to have a small video appear here and have it play in either to the left or right side while the main video is playing. So with YouCut Video Editor app, you want to first make sure you go to where it says PIP right here. That's the picture-in-picture tool. And as you select that, you will notice there is a video, photo, and all option. So if it's a video you want to insert, go ahead to the video category, and you can use the drop-down menu here to find the different folders found on your device. Now, with all that said and done here, you'll look for the video that you want to insert. And let's just say it's maybe perhaps this one here. You can always long press it to kind of preview it to see what it looks like before you actually insert the video itself. And once you do this, once you select the video here, your video will now appear to the bottom area here. Right down here, you'll notice it in the timeline area. And with it selected, you'll have these tools here in which you can crop the video if it's too big, or there's just a certain part you want to emphasize on for this video here, like this, for example. You can also adjust the volume of it and also have it blend in. I'll show you how to do the masking and the chroma tool in another video. Now you can also move the video around, place it to someplace else, and make it a bit smaller. So you can hold down on these two arrows like this here, and you can now have your video playing like this here, and it's gonna appear like that. But if you just don't want it to appear just like that here, you can tap on it and go to the animation and choose one that will show the video appearing or sliding into the video. You can adjust the time here based on the animation you choose, and it won't appear too fast. So now your video, the overlay will appear like this here. Notice how that appeared there to the side, and then it's going to be playing while the main video is playing. And that would be it. Like and sub.